Make no mistake, Fossil has made its way upward by making top-of-the-line watch lines. And here's their story. One important fact is to know that Fossil prefers its brand to be known as a manufacturer rather than a label. Not much is known about the many nitty-gritty details of the brand Fossil, however, the most noticeable ones are what's very noticeable indeed. Founded by the Greek-American Kartsotis brothers, or Kartsotis, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, Tom and Costa in the early 1980s, Fossil is one of the best-known watch brands in the whole world. Overwhelmingly fashioned with an element of affordability and quality. They've always put their designs based on vintage elements and themes, making it a home run to the brand as Americans would soon swoop in across their stores, browsing for their unique yet uniform designs. With their creative Texan roots, they consistently produce and release their designs to the market seasonally, being heavily reliant on modern trends and style. Fashion, look, and customer value has always been their winning formula. Fossil watches are therefore seen as achievable, wearable luxury. They are a go-to brand for anyone looking for high-quality timekeeping with precision design.